landing.
One of them down! Two down, two down!
Yeah, we were hiding behind there at the start where we were watching. He was like, you shouldn't stand there. This is the spot. And we're just like, okay. Because when the zone moves, the second zone moves, like you can nip over here.
Down.
Good shooting.
Yeah.
I'm dead.
Zimmer is dead.
That's right. My
Druss is out.
Copy!
Look at that! Holy shit! There's like a little duck walk. That was awesome.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I totally got that.
That's the next thing, eh? It's so good.
What's going on with your boys?
Yeah, Nick!
Woo! Yeah!
You Jimmy!
Yeah, and Jimmy. That's the sky. And that was the last game of the day. Should we do like an impromptu interview? Let's do an impromptu interview. Nick, how do you think that went down, guys?
I think we've had
Harder in the pussy!
We sports pretty hard.
Yeah.
Sporting pretty hard.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day,
Sport one.
Sport
On
one.
a serious note, so many teams, so close. So many teams have just really stepped up and pulled games out of the bag. Really impressed by everybody.
What about you, Druss? You got anything to add? Yeah, okay.
Well, like ASA, no doubt, they cut us off, you know. And that was
So that was the last fight at Nationals, guys. There'll be like a very alcoholic debrief later. Cheers.